Hi everyone, I am Maulidiani. My student number 240107033. Today I am going to review a opening video, plastic pollution and what really happens to the plastic you throw away. This video shows us how plastic has become a big part of our life, from a helpful invention to a serious global problem. So, let's dive into the journey of plastic, from its creation to its impact on our planet. The first video explained that plastic is often called a recycled material because it is cheap, durable, and very useful in many industries, such as packing, healthcare, and technology. For example, plastic is used in medical equipment that help save lives every day. However, its durability also becomes a major problem because plastic doesn't easily decompose, which harm ecosystem. Meanwhile, the second video tells a story about three plastic bottles and their different fates. One end up in a landfill, slowly breaking down over hundreds of years. Another drift into the ocean and become part of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, affecting marine life. And the last one get recycled into something new, showing that there is still hope if we manage plastic properly. These two perspectives help us understand both the benefit and the consequences of plastic use. One shocking fact from the first video is that humans have produced more than 83 billion tons of plastic since 1950. That number is incredible high and continues to grow every year. Even more alarming, the second video explained that a single plastic bottle can take up to 1,000 years to decompose. Over time, plastic breaks down into microplastic, which are tiny particles that are almost impossible to remove from nature. This microplastic can enter the food chain, starting from small sea creatures, then fish, and eventually human. This means that the fish we eat may contain plastic, so in a way, we are consuming our own waste. This idea is both shocking and concerning because it shows how closely connected our actions are to the environment. The two videos use different structure to present their idea. The first video used a cause and effect pattern explanation why plastic was created and how it led to environmental problems over time. It focused more on that explanation and global impact. On the other hand, the second video used a chronological structure following the life cycle of plastic bottles from the moment they are thrown away until their final outcome. This storytelling approach makes it easier for viewers to imagine real-life situations, while the first video feels more informative and factual, and the second one feels more emotional and personal. In my opinion, both styles are effective because they complement each other and give a more complete understanding of the issue. What if all plastic bottles were recycled properly? We would see less pollution in the oceans, fewer landfill, and a cleaner environment overall. Animals would be safer and ecosystem could recover more easily. But what if plastic had never been invented? While we may have less pollution today, humans may have relied more on natural resources like ivory, possibly causing faster extinction of animals like elephants. The scanners show that plastic itself is not entry but it independent on how we use and manage it. Our choosing today will shape the future of our planet. In conclusion, plastic itself is not the enemy. Our throwaway culture is. We often use plastic once and then forget about it without thinking about where it goes. After watching this video, I will realize that every small action matters. Simple habits like bring a reusable bag, using a tumbler, or reversing single-use plastic can make a big difference if many people do it together. Thank you for watching my critical review. I hope this video not only informs you but also inspires you to take action. Remember, small changes can lead to big impact. Let's work together to protect our planet and create better future for the next generation. Don't forget to like my video. See you next time.